Empowerment without action is just ego. Alam mo, I want you to be empowered. I want you na panindigan ito. Because empowerment without execution is just ego. Motivation without movement is just noise. Ang daming tao ngayon empowered daw. Laging may quote, may post, may caption, pero pagdating sa resulta, wala naman. Real empowerment is not about just feeling strong. It's about staying strong when it is convenient. When it is inconvenient, uncomfortable, and unrecognizable. Ang tunay na empowered, hindi reactive. Hindi mo kailangan i-announce. Ito yung tahimik ka lamang pero ang galing mo magtrabaho. Grabe ka humataw. Alam mo, yung tunay na mga empowered na tao, they don't just talk about change. They become the change. Here's the truth. Empowerment isn't proven by emotion. It's proven by action and execution. Confidence means nothing if your work ethic doesn't back it up. Pwede mo naman kasi talaga sabihin, I believe in myself. But if you can't show up on time, finish your tasks, and keep your word, then what are you really empowering? Ako mismo dumaan dyan. When I started leading people, ang dali sabihin na imo-motivate ko sila. Pero na-realize ko, ang motivation, it fades. Ang modeling, by example, sustains and lasts. Your team won't follow what you say. They will follow what you do. So, if I want my people to be disciplined, ako muna. If I want them to deliver results, then dapat ako rin consistent. Not perfect, but accountable. And I think that's what empowerment really is. You don't just inspire others to move, you move with them. So ikaw, di ba sabi mo empowered ka? Then show it through your work ethic. Lagyan mo ng accountability at tanggalin mo ang entitlement. Accountability isn't really just about pressure. It is about ownership. Na kapag sinabi mong gagawin mo, gawin mo. Pag sinabi mong kaya mo, ipakita mo. At kapag nagkamali ka, aminin mo. That is leadership and that is maturity. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging maingay Ang kailangan mo lang maging consistent. Because at the end of the day, you will always hear me say this, results don't lie. People may doubt your words, but they can never argue or debate your evidences. So yes, I want you to be empowered. But more than that, I want you to be reliable, dependable, and indispensable. I want you to lead with action, not just affirmation. To build credibility that is louder than your captions. I want you to be empowered, not just with what you feel, but because you can finish. Panindigan mo. Show it through your work ethics. Show it through your results. That's how you earn influence that lasts. Not by sounding powerful, but by living what you preach.